There are 6 ways to find gratitude even when everything goes wrong, and science proved this one actually. We are not suggesting we should rejoice at living through disappointing or painful life experience, but there are ways we can find gratitude as we grow through the limitless. Firstly, find gratitude around difficult people. We expect people to treat us kindly, fairly, and respectfully, but the reality is some people won't. They will lose their tempers or act foolishly regardless of how we treat them. This must be accepted. Don't lower your standards, but do remind yourself that removing your expectations of others, especially those who are being difficult, is the way to avoid being disappointed by them. When you're forced to deal with a difficult person, you can be grateful for having other people in your life who are far less difficult. You can be grateful for having a way to practice being better at patience, communication, tempering your expectations. You can think of this person as a teacher who is unexpectedly helping you to grow strongly as a person. And at the very least, you can be grateful for them because they serve as a great reminder of not to be. Secondly, find gratitude when you catch yourself complaining. Most many of you have developed a stubborn habit of complaining when the things don't go quite your way. Gratitude is the antidote. Each time you notice yourself feel bitter or complaining, notice the story in your mind about how life should be. Instead of letting the story dominate you, find a small way to be grateful instead. Remember, there is always something to be negative about and something to be grateful for. The choice is yours. Thirdly, find gratitude when you are overwhelmed. Have you ever noticed how the more familiar you become with an amazing situation or relationship in your life, the more you seem to take it for granted, you will feel annoyed or overwhelmed in busy and stressful times. Challenge yourself to flip your perspective in this moment using a simple framing tool, that is I love it. Add this phrase, I need to grocery shopping, pay the bills, pick the kids up from school in an hour, and I love it. My box is filled with 2 dozen client emails that need a response today, and I love it. Let this little reframing tool give you the perspective you need, because again, the everyday things that overwhelm us often blessings in disguise. Fourthly, find gratitude after job loss. As painful as losing your job is, it's an ending that leads to the beginning of everything that comes next. Let the heaviness of being successful be replaced by the lightness of starting over, to reinvent who you are. Remind yourself as often as necessary that you can find gratitude for where you are. You can find gratitude for those moments of reinvention, learning new skills, leveling up. You can find gratitude for the opportunity to grow stronger even in the mindset of the growing pain that ultimately gets out you there. Fifth, find gratitude and amid health problems. A couple of years ago, on the second to last day of her life, a close friend of mine shared that her only regret was that she did not appreciate every year with the same passion and purpose that she had in the last few years of her life after she was diagnosed with the terminal cancer. Her words made us cry, smile at the same time. What was truly miraculous was seeing the genuine gratitude in her eyes. So, while health problems are never fun, the pain can be mitigated by sense of gratitude for having a chance to move forward on our own terms, of having a life worth living and using the precious things. Sixth and lastly, find gratitude when someone you love dies. As we know firsthand, when you lose someone you can't imagine living without, your heart breaks wide open, and the bad news is you will never completely get over the loss. You will never forget them. However, we have the ability to push through the experience and even find meaning in it. Ultimately, we grew to appreciate that although death is an ending, it is also a necessary part of living. Limits eliminates beauty, and death is the ultimate limit. A reminder that we need to celebrate this beautiful person and appreciate this beautiful thing called life. Although deeply sad, this passing forces us to gradually reinvent our lives, and in this reinvention is an opportunity to experience beauty in new, unseen ways and places. And finally, that death is an opportunity to celebrate one's person's life and to be grateful for the beauty they showed us. Life disappointment and struggles are not easy to find gratitude for, but they can become incredible paths of growth if you find the lessons in them. If you start to see everything as a teacher, truly the best time to focus on being grateful is when you don't feel like it, because that's when doing so can make the biggest difference. Thank you.